Before you start AutoCAD interface, you can downloading AutoCAD. It's essential to ensure your PC laptop meets the system requirements. AutoCAD is a resource-intensive application, so you will need a high-end PC or laptop with sufficient processing power, memory, and graphics capabilities. System requirements for AutoCAD. Search in the Autodesk page System requirements for AutoCAD 2024 including Specialized Toolsets. Steps to create an account on Autodesk. 1. Visit Autodesk account page. Go to https://www.autodesk.com/account. 2. Click on Sign In. If you already have an Autodesk account, simply sign in with your credentials. If not, click Create Account to get started. 3. Enter your information. Provide your email address, file and last name, country, and other required information. Choose a strong password for your account. 4. Verification. You may be asked to verify your email address by clicking a link sent to your email inbox. 5. Complete your profile. Fill in any additional information, such as your professional details or preferences. 6. Agree to terms and conditions. Read and accept Autodesk's terms and privacy policy. 7. Sign in. After creating the account, sign in with your new credentials to access Autodesk services and download AutoCAD.